In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can see your competitors' LinkedIn ads. To do this, we're going to dive into the LinkedIn ad library, which is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to keep a pulse on what other companies are doing on this platform. First things first, open up your favorite browser and type in LinkedIn ad library in the search bar. Once you've done that, click on the link that appears in your search results. This will take you directly to the LinkedIn ad library. Now that you're in the LinkedIn ad library, you'll notice you have several options at your disposal for searching ads. One of the most straightforward methods is to look up ads by the company name if you're particularly interested in a specific competitor. Alternatively, you can utilize keywords that align closely with your industry. This flexibility even extends further as you can filter your search by country and date to narrow down the ads relevant to your research. However, it's crucial to remember that the LinkedIn ad library only displays ads that have been running from June 2023 onwards, so anything older will not be available in this space. For our example today, let's take a look at a well-known competitor. I'll type Fiverr into the search bar and hit search. In a matter of moments, you'll see an array of different creatives that Fiverr has been running on LinkedIn. These may include formats such as video ads, single image ads, and other engaging types. As you scroll down the page, keep an eye out for more ads loading, giving you an expansive view of the campaigns they've been executing over recent months. The value of this tool cannot be overstated. It provides prized insights into what your competition is doing, from the offers they're promoting to the resources they're distributing, and even gives you a closer look at how they're maneuvering in the market. Such information can be immensely beneficial when you're seeking inspiration for your campaigns or working on your competitive research initiatives. Take your time sashaying through different ads from a variety of industries or diverse companies. This step-by-step observation might unlock new ideas for messaging, creative concepts, or even themes that you could test in your advertising efforts. If an ad catches your eye, you can click on it and then select View Details. This step will open up more detailed information about that ad, providing you an enriched understanding of what is working for others. Keep in mind, the LinkedIn ad library is a free tool available whenever you need a fresh perspective or want to track your competitors' advertising strategies. Should you have any questions about using this tool or anything else, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any of our upcoming uploads. Have a fantastic day.